Oh my god, what is it? Towel! Paper towel!
If you spill that on my couch, I will sell you. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and this is my friend Gabi, and she's wonderful and awesome, and she came over this weekend, and we decided we wanted to do a makeup versus makeup look.
Oh god.
So basically what we're doing is we're both doing our makeup, and neither of us will take offense to whoever you think did the best makeup, because we all know that it's just an opinion. You know, makeup is colors and art. And, you know, art is just like differently interpreted by different people. So don't be afraid to tell us who you think did the best in the comments below.
Come on, get out of the shot.
So also, she's like a makeup artist.
I am
too.
not a makeup artist.
So she's probably,
if I fail, it's gonna be bad.
she's probably gonna do better than me. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably say that I won't win, but I'm gonna try my hardest. So that's basically what we're doing for this video. It's kind of also we're drinking. I have a trash can. She has a Moscato. It's 9:30 at night. We're not going nowhere. We're over 21, so it's all good. So now that we are into the get ready with me, I did want to show you guys. My sister is the best sister in the whole wide world, my sister Carissa, and she actually got me, my beauty blender won't stay still. She actually got me the conspiracy palette, so I'm going to use that for my get ready with me today.
Can I use it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
If you want to, for
yeah,
sure.
I do.
Yes. And luckily, when I spilled my drink, it did not actually get on the palette, because I wanted to like show you guys what it kind of looked like when I first got it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's literally gorgeous. Like, I'm so excited to try these colors out and like decide what I want to do. So, and then I have like a ton of lip stuff over here because I don't know what lip I'm going to do because I still don't know what colors I'm going to do. We're just kind of winging it. And yeah.
That's my life.
Literally, we're just going to drink and wing our makeup. And see what comes of it, you know? Also, check both of us out on our TikToks. I'll have them linked below because we're also...
And Instagram.
And Instagram. I'll have both those. I'll have all that linked below because we're also making TikToks. Maybe taking Insta pictures, too. Might as well. You know, the one day you do your makeup, it's good to take about 1,000 pictures.
And post 2 of them.
Yup, exactly. Yeah. Comment below, what is your favorite alcoholic drink? Or non-alcoholic, but alcoholic.
Is it alcoholic or alcohol drink?
I think it's alcoholic.
Okay.
Comment below, is it alcohol or alcoholic?
I should
They're
know.
gonna be like, you're a bunch of alcoholics.
So like, I should know what that means, but
oh, Gabby.
here we are.
I finally got a new foundation. Oh my god, it's not, I'm like, I was gonna plan like, I finally got a new foundation and like it opened.
But it's not opening.
It's not opening,
yeah.
So. I ended up getting the Marc Jacobs, which I'm really excited because like I said, I've never tried it before. And I usually have dry skin, and she said this won't be hydrating, but I usually use a pretty like awesome moisturizer. So as long as it's not drying, which she said it shouldn't be, I should be good. So I'm like really excited to try it out. Now Gabby is 1 bottle of wine and what, 2 like other drinks in?
Yeah, I had a rum and coke and a lemon drop and then a bottle of wine.
And I've had a lemon drop. And then this is my second drink.
Alcoholic, right?
It takes me so long to finish an alcoholic drink.
It's not an alcoholic drink. It's an alcohol drink.
It's alcoholic. I swear. Comment below. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
I have been saying it like that since I was like a 2. I don't know. Whenever
Since you were 2.
I don't know.
Welcome to my channel.
Oh, okay. I need to start off with foundation.
I'm gonna do my eyebrows.
What do you use for eyebrows?
I use Anastasia Beverly Hill, dark brown.
Oh my god! Look at half my face. What would you say is your theme song?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, like I always used to say that my theme song was Sweet Transvestite
from
Rocky Horror. But
I can see that.
Recently, I would say it's Hot Girl Bummer by Black Bear.
I have not heard that.
It's great.
I'm gonna have to listen to it.
You will. I'll play it for you later.
Okay, good.
I would describe us... Okay, you can just... Tell me your theme song first, sorry. I interrupted you.
I don't really have a theme song. I think this is real crusty. Like, am I not blending it, or is it just me, or is this like crusty as hell?
Like, I can see, like, all your fuzzies.
Right.
Yeah. I'm not loving that.
I'm not either. And I asked her, I was like, is it gonna be crusty? And she was like, no.
I don't know if it's crusty. I just think it's, like, showing all
Everything.
your pores. And, like,
And it's like, I
everything.
thought this was supposed to be like full cup. Maybe, is it not supposed to be used with a beauty blender?
Oh, my God, sorry. Okay.
Because I don't have a brush that puts on foundation. So I'm like, would have liked to known that. Like, what is going on? Because it's not just me, right? It
It's
looks
not just
freaking
you.
gross. I feel like it makes me look like a crimped keeper.
A crimped? The people who own the crimpers.
I feel like it's clinging onto every wrinkle, and I look like 20 years older.
Yes, that's what it's doing.
I've never seen a bad review. and
Not
that's why I was
Alicia
like,
approved.
yeah, like I've never seen a review for Marc Jacobs foundation from a person with dry skin. I've only seen it from people with like really oily skin, which makes me wonder like what it would look like on you. You know what I mean?
Sorry, I'm like Alyssa Edwards, and I like to make weird faces in the mirror when I do my makeup.
Ew.
Yeah, it's...
She's like, it's not cute. It's not.
Maybe it shows up really good on camera, though.
What colors are you using?
Tanacon, because I love Tana. If you're watching this,
Hi,
please-
Tana.
please marry me.
Actually,
I have.
didn't she just break up with Jake?
Yes, thank
she's
God.
free.
So, like, she's single. I'm single.
I loved her with Bella, but I mean, obviously, if it's not working out, it's
I
not
would
working
love
out.
her with me.
I would love her with you, Gabby.
Okay, thank you. That's what I thought you said. If you had to name us as, like, a famous duo,
Ooh, a famous
who would it
duo.
be?
Okay.
Because I already know who it would be. But, like, you go first.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm going into Diet Root Beer.
So what's the famous duo? That color pops the heck off. Like the pigment. It's
Yeah.
there. It's freaking there.
Do you want me to tell you mine that I
Yeah.
think is us?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm Trixie. And you're Katya. From Drag Race. I don't think you're as funny as Katya. She's really funny. She's really funny, though.
This is our dating.
Like,
She gives me a compliment and then she's like, I mean, well, not like that, but but like a toned down version of that. Like
Yeah.
a lesser version than that.
and, like, you're funny. But, like, not that funny all the time.
I think I'm that funny all the time.
You're, like, Disney funny. You're like my mom. Like, you have a very, like, clean sense of humor. I keep fucking burping in my throat.
Are you almost done so I can do my eyes?
Okay, calm down. I'm almost done, yes.
Wait, so what all have you used?
Tanacon, Diet Root Beer, and food videos.
Ooh. That looks so dope.
I did not clean this or wet it or anything.
I'm gonna-
just going in raw dog.
You really are. Okay.
Yeah, I said that.
I'm gonna put my pills on my like entire eyelid to kind of do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna put pigment, the one with like a pig,
Yeah, we got it.
and I'm gonna put that on the lid.
Did
Come
you just put a
through.
color on your lid?
Yeah. Did we ever say how we met? I don't think we did. We met at beauty school.
Yeah, we did.
Our eyes met from across the room,
Yep.
and I was like, "That girl looks nice," and she was like, "Hey, bitch."
No, you did not think that.
We both hated cutting hair.
I still hate cutting hair.
Yeah, same. It just wasn't for me. Oh my god, the Trisha color is iconic. It's really pretty.
I just can't stand her.
What don't you
Sorry,
like
we're
about her?
opening the library here.
That's okay. The library's open. What don't you like about her?
She just really annoys me. Like her face.
Her face?
Yeah.
I think she's got a nice face.
Something about it is not right. I don't know what it is. Her lips, maybe? I don't really know. I was watching her TikTok and I just got mad.
Really?
It's like, oh, you. You again.
you again.
Like, you just...
I mean, she is like everywhere because she posts on everything, but it's like, okay, I know this is like so bad to say, but I only really watch her stuff when it's like drama related,
Okay.
which I know is like super basic and like, you know, of this generation, it's all about the drama, but like she makes the videos.
Yeah.
So I watch them. Like, I think they're fun to watch.
I did like her with, what's his name?
Jason.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my god.
I liked them together. Is that, okay, I'm gonna sound really dumb because I should know this. Is that, Dobrik's
Yeah.
dad?
No.
Friend?
Wait, Jason?
Yeah.
That's
How
it's
do
his
I
friend. It's his friend. Yeah.
I thought it was his dad.
They do a podcast together.
Okay.
So far, I have used my pills, then I put pigment on, and then I put Trisha, and now I'm gonna use Diet Cola, and I'm gonna like do that in the crease. I feel like I have to sneeze.
Bless you.
I don't want to. Shut up. I'm gonna use the color Ranch to kind of use as a highlight. What other iconic duo are we?
Adore Delano.
I'm Adore.
Yeah, and Bianca Del Rio.
Yes, I think that's.
I'm
who
not
we're
as
more
funny
like.
as her
I think that's who we're more like.
because Bianca is so funny.
She is very funny.
So like I'm not that funny.
And I always like Adore was one of my favorites.
Party. I love her. She's great.
My face is crusty.
Are you crusty? I can't.
The library is open.
I can't see the difference. I don't know what I'm looking for. What does crusty look like?
Oh my god!
Not me.
So you are not crusty.
I am not crusty.
Okay, so hold on. Sit up.
Just tell her she's crusty.
Gabby's like, can we move on?
Jesus.
Well, what am I looking
Her
for?
foundation.
Well,
Can
what
you see
about
her
it? Like
wrinkles?
like the wrinkles. That's what I'm
Wrinkles,
looking for.
pores, hairs.
Are you crusty?
Okay, let's see. All I know is Gabby is angry. Alicia is
Crusty.
helping.
Helping. Are you crusty?
I'm not dumb.
It helped me feel
Clearly
better.
you are, because I am crusty, bitch.
I know stuff.
Thanks, babe.
Goodbye.
You helped a lot. You helped a lot.
On today's episode of Cameron's in Trouble for No Reason.
Cameron's in trouble because he called me crusty. Is that mine?
No.
Okay.
I got it in my Christmas box.
Which one is it?
It's peach.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you
I really
like
it? Yeah. I don't have one of Jeffree Star's like
You have a liquid one though, don't you?
yeah. I have a liquid and that was it of Jeffree Star, so I was really excited to get like just a regular one.
I'm grabbing her blanket so she can.
I don't
Yeah,
care.
okay.
Just go.
I'm just obsessed with all these beautiful women.
We know
in my
you
life.
are.
We're not naked in here, so you can leave.
I don't want you naked because you crusty. Oh!
You go on my Instagram anyway, so.
Can I use your glue now?
It's gonna be a minute.
Can I use your glue now?
Really? Nobody's gonna watch your TikTok.
Everyone's gonna watch my TikTok.
I hope they hear me in the background. Here's your glue. Somebody take the highlight away from me, quick.
No, it looks dope
I'm going
as hell.
crazy. I'm going crazy. Okay, we're fine. We didn't go too overboard.
Can you be quiet? I'm TikToking. Damn. You look fine as hell. You know, be quiet. Oh my god, you should watch Spinning Out on Netflix. It's so good.
Is that stupid ice skating show?
Well, alright then. I really want to do a bright pink lip. I'm going to do Say No More from Kylie Jenner.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Okay.
Okay, so here are our final looks. Mine is very pink inspired, Jeffree Star inspired. And
I don't know what mine is inspired by.
Gabby's is freaking iconic. Like, how cute is that? She's
Garbage lady.
inspired by neon. Like, she looks fantastic. And this jacket, I mean, can we just say...
Iconic.
I freaking...
It's
can't.
at Hot Topic.
Cameron's gonna decide whose look based on, like, just what he thinks, like, I look and stuff like
Well, he's
that.
obviously gonna
Okay, who do you pick?
That's your modeling pose. Gabby, what are your modeling poses?
I don't have any.
Okay. The winner is, drum roll.
Kelly. What a cop out.
Yeah, that was a full cop out.
Okay, let us know whose look you like the best. And like I said, we're not going to be butthurt about it. Like, this is just for fun. You know, what colors do you like the most? You know what I mean? Like, everyone has a different aesthetic. Also, comment below and let me know other videos you would like me to do on this channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Those are all going to say videos with Gabby.
I mean, I would. So,
She's
comment
gonna
below if
rename
you
her
want more
channel.
Gabby. Don't forget
Subscribe!
I'm going to smother you with a pillow. while you're
Okay, I
sleeping.
like it. It's fine.
Minutes
Don't
to
forget
make it
to like
happen.
and subscribe.
Bye! Your eyes look so pretty.
Thank you.
Oh my god, she's so beautiful.